I'm not adding sound. This is actually how it does. That brought me to tears. That is so awesome. That's worth the money of this thing right there. That's unbelievable. So Leia's saber is like Luke Skywalker's green one, where the design of it doesn't actually work with a lightsaber. So it does come with this attachable piece. This set is really, really great. They really, really nailed it. It's just like the other Reys reforged, no changes to it. It looks and sounds really good. I do think the colors are a little off from what they were in the movie, but as a set, the entire thing works. I mean, the music was such a surprise to me. I mean, I'm sitting here with Holly. Holly can vouch for this. I started crying because I wasn't expecting that. You know, what she uses to bury it on Tatooine, and then having the box that plays the Force theme with the quotes and then it being numbered. It's really, really cool as a set. So I really think they did a good job. As far as I know, they are sold out now. There was only 3,000 of these made. It's really, really cool. And this is something that I'm going to like cherish for a long, long time. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe down below and we'll see you next time. May the Force be with you.